Well, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we've got the start of a new build. Yes, I've been into Bolton Town Centre today after my little swimming session this morning, and I picked up the Ford Falcon XB GT. There we go, $1.99 on a big card. You won't get it like this if you're a subscriber. My subscriptions haven't come through yet, they don't get dispatched till the 6th. Well, there we go. Let's have a quick look at this card and we'll take the magazine out and get the parts together. There we go, there's the front of the card. You can see we've got the bonnet here and we have some parts to actually attach as well. There we go. So, the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, scale 1/8, post-apocalyptic edition, $1.99 in all newsagents today. There we go. Build an apocalyptic 1973 Ford Falcon XB GT. See the remote control there? So you have opening doors, bonnet and boot, active steering wheel, wind down windows. Let's see the model spec. Length is 62 centimeters, width 25, height 19 centimeters, weight 7+ kilograms. Materials die-cast metal, ABS, PVC, GPPS, and there's a QR code if you want to scan it. Illuminating LED headlights, independent suspension and rotating wheels, realistic details, and like I said before, remote control. Don't miss out, issue 2 just $6.99, usual price $10.99, on sale in 2 weeks time. If you subscribe you should get 1 and 2 together. If you did subscribe to the test run you'll probably get issues 1 and 2 for free, but bear in mind you may not. I think I'm supposed to get them for free, but I'll be promoting it on my channel. This I did pay for. So now let's get the parts out. There we go, that's the magazine. There is a brochure there. Just look at that in a sec, and these are the parts still in the packaging. Looks superb though. We'll have a look at that in a minute. So just as before, the iconic Ford Falcon. Build a unique 1973 Ford Falcon XB GT. Everything, there we go, mentioned before about the features of the car. It does look superb. It looks awesome actually. Reasons to subscribe: an insightful magazine with fascinating features. Learn all about the Ford Falcon. Unique model never previously available. Numerous working parts. Easy to build. Parts screw or snap together. Realistic sounds. Impressive 1/8 scale. Quality die-cast metal bodywork. Detailed reproduction of engine and interior. 5 fantastic free gifts. First issue only $1.99. No commitment. Model complete in 130 issues. I think the diorama takes up the last 10 issues, if I remember rightly. And here we have in your magazine. With each issue of your magazine you'll find easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Same as always, a step-by-step assembly guide, history, Ford on the silver screen, and custom-made designs for a new era. Looking brilliant. And subscribe today and receive your free issue plus fantastic free gifts. With your first delivery, a free issue. We've got the binder. There we have a metal display pack with your 5th delivery. The binder comes with a 3rd delivery, and you get a jerry can hip flask with your 7th delivery. And also with your 1st delivery you get a tin poster. Brilliant. And issue 2, you know, we got a tyre and parts for the first wheel. Go premium, head to our website to see our custom made display case. Excellent stuff. So there we go. First of all, let's have a quick look at the magazine. And here we have a couple of flyers. There's one for your newsagents, and here again same information as before, but we do know what we get in issue 3 as well. There we go. There's a little motor there as well. Excellent. And ways to order. There we go. You can even send that off to Hachette. Pay direct debit. There we go. Business reply. And there's a jerry can hip flask. Excellent. And here we have the magazine. So we have stage 1 bonnet assembly. So you have the bonnet reinforcement structure, the bonnet dual scope, the bonnet dual scoop, bonnet lock, left bonnet round insert and right bonnet round insert, bonnet closing centering pin, left bonnet dual scoop vent grill, left, right bonnet dual scoop vent grill, right. And we have DS20, which are PM screws, and PS12, which are PB screws. PM is pan head for metal, PB is pan head for plastic. There we go, area of assembly, obviously. There we go. Start the assembly by placing the bonnet lock 1D over the rectangular slot on the front edge of the bonnet reinforcement structure 1A with the hook facing inwards. Secure the lock 1D to the bonnet 1A using 2 PS12 screws as shown. There we go. So that is the instructions. There we go, that is the completed assembly. We'll do that shortly. And then we have the history of the Ford Falcon, the most wanted Falcon, then Gran Torino 2008. There's Clint. Roots of custom cars. Some beautiful looking cars. That's gorgeous. General Motors XP21 Firebird. Wow, look at that. Excellent stuff. That'll be a good read. And there we go. New parts. Issue 2. Tyre, wheel rim parts, hubcap, or hubcup as they call it. Wheel nuts, screws and screwdriver. Excellent stuff. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. So let's get the parts out. There we go, those are our parts. This is the internal part of the hood or bonnet, that is plastic. And then we have the bonnet, looking superb. That is metal. Yeah, there is this. That looks brilliant, that's just paint that. That looks fantastic. I did wonder when I first saw this whether that was plastic on top, but it's not, it's just paint. It looks absolutely brilliant, that. Excellent. First things we need to do is to pop this bonnet lock into place. That will go just there. There's a peg in the middle. Goes just there like that, and we need 2 PS12 screws to pop this into place. Okay, now let's get the first screw just here, holding that bonnet lock in place. Part way through, and we'll get the second screw into here. They do seem to be rather long, these screws. There we go, that's the bonnet lock in place. See the 2 screws either side? Excellent. Next we need a cloth. Okay, next step we need the scoop, and we need to pop that just there like that. It matches the shape of the bonnet. There we go, excellent. Then we need this piece that we've just been working on. Pop that over the top. So the internal panel, we need 1 DS20 screw in there. As we are going into metal, I'll pop a little bit of oil on that screw. Screw it together. There we go, brilliant. Now we need 1, 2, 3, 4 more DS20 screws to secure this inner panel. Excellent, there we go. That's all 4 screws in place. Now we need the bonnet closing centre cap. There we go, that little piece. Yeah, that pushes just into there, like that. That wasn't difficult at all. Next we need these 2 bonnet inserts. One is different, well I should say they're both different. You'll notice that when you have a look at them close up. And the holes are different for them, so you don't get them mixed up. And you can see, looking at them, I think that one is for the larger one and that one is for the smaller one. You look at the holes there and there. So one will just go in one, the other will probably go in the other, but it will be loose. So anyway, it's just a push fit connection, this one. So it is like keyhole shapes basically. Just like that. And that one will go into there. A little bit fiddly. There we go. That's how they look. Superb. Excellent stuff. Yep. Now we can pop that over because we have a couple of vents to put in place. These 2 little pieces. We basically bend these around the pegs there and there, there and there. Yeah? Okay, so the first vent it is shaped like that, and as you can see, that piece will bend around the pins there and there. So if we just pop this into place, just there, like so, you can see that. Brilliant. Now all we need to do is bend that little arm. I don't think these are strong enough. Just give us a sec. Let's see if I can do it with these pliers. Grab hold of that and just bend it round. And we do the same with this one. Just curl that around, and that should hold that into place once I get it fully round. I suppose you could pop a little bit of glue on that as well, because that is quite stiff. Okay, let's do the other one. Up the vent behind the pins. There we go, just like that. And then we need to bend or shape that end piece around that pin. Just so as it doesn't move. There we go. I think let's shape that round. Excellent. There we go. That's two vents in place. Flip that over, and there's another cracking view. Excellent stuff. So that is issue 1 of this brand new build. Be careful of that. The Ford Falcon. Excellent stuff. So there we go. There is the bonnet. That looks absolutely brilliant, does it not? Yep. That scoop with its vents on, that interior panel. That interior panel is really, really shiny. Looking brilliant. There's the bonnet catch and lock. Excellent. How good that lock is going to be. Yeah, there is some movement in it, just a little bit. Well, that looks brilliant. That. I love how that bonnet is. Looking brilliant. There we go. So that weren't too bad at all, was it? Just make sure you put a cloth down as well to set that paintwork. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, there it is. So that is issue 1. I'll get my subscription issues probably next week, issue 1 and 2. So I'll do them on another video. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for issue 1 and 2 of this Ford Falcon. Brilliant. And don't forget, if you want to subscribe, the link is in the description, and I'll put it on the screen as well. Thanks again for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.